Hello, San Bernardino. It's the 4th of July and the sun is just now going down. It is a conflagration out here. I can smell the gunpowder in the air. My rabbits are really scared. When we first moved here 17 years ago, I was really excited because it's one of the few locations in SoCal where you're allowed to have safe and sane, TNT fountain fireworks and whatnot. And every year I used to set off one fountain for each item from the Bill of Rights. I used to have so much joy and pride at those times. This is cuckoo though, I have to tell you. As someone pointed out in my comments last firework video, no, these are not legal. These are mostly brought in from south of the border because this is a mostly Latino community. And as I said in years past, it was exhilarating, it was fun, it was festive, it was unique. Since my kids were grown, it's been kind of the new thing that my husband and I would do is we would drive up into the foothills and four-wheel drive in the daytime, and then in the evening we'd come off the mountain and we would see the whole city light up. I swear this is the most intense that I've ever seen, and it's aggressive. So I'm gonna roll a smoke and pause this, and then I think I might walk around the block with you. Hold on. Okay, so here I am. I've got my nicotine pacifier. Let's see what's going on. That's just on the next block. We're in one of the most beautiful tree-lined neighborhoods in San Bernardino. So I hope we don't end up with tree fires. I kind of feel like palm trees should have a burn by date tattooed on them. But we're, as you can see, beautiful elm trees. Seems like it's mostly going off over there. That's some intense shit right there. Somebody has an arsenal. I think it's mostly quiet on this block. Not entirely. I don't think it's quiet in any corner of the city tonight. Since April, we've had fireworks going off since mid-morning. And this morning it was all quiet. They waited until the sun went down, which makes sense, and I'm okay with that. I wish they'd been that since April. Good idea. Wet down your homestead. I'm really glad I don't have PTSD and that my veteran husband does not have like shooting veteran status. He's a Navy man. He was in the Gulf under the first Desert Storm. So he didn't see this kind of thing. He did have to fend off Somalian pirates from time to time while stationed in the Gulf. But it wasn't like this for him. I'm also glad that my dog has acclimated for the most part. I'm gonna have to secure my cat. The rabbits are snug in their hutches. The chickens are tucked into their coop. It's wild tonight, hey? Happy 4th. Cheers. My neighborhood is so friendly. People are having barbecues in their front lots. Like I said, when my kids were younger, we used to do the same. I actually have grown to really love San Bernardino. It's a very integrated community. It's a very non-assuming community. People don't put on a lot of airs here. They just put on aerials. There's a fountain like I'm used to. That's what we used to see. As long as folks are happy, I'm down for this. Ooh, that's exciting. Cheers. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, you could smell the gunpowder in the air. Awesome display, huh? Happy 4th. Yeah, so it's going off here in San Bernardino tonight. Happy 4th of July. I hope that you and your family are safe. I love celebrating the birth of this country. I love the Constitution. I love the Bill of Rights. Even though the climate of our country has changed recently, I think we still have this. You know, for better and for worse. Not or, but and. Bless you and bless your family. May all beings dwell in love, kindness, peace, and joy. Now, I have a bunch of canning I still have to do, so I'm going to say goodbye for tonight. Happy Independence Day. Love you.